Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 4X Santoni. Here you can see this is Redmi 4X. This is our device. Let's check the specification. Which ROM is this? Android version. You will get the Android version 10. Here you can see Carbon ROM installed. This is the Carbon ROM version CR 8.0 packs on unofficial Santoni for Santoni. This is for Santoni. Android 11 is released, but you will not get the Android 11 in this ROM or in this device. You will get the 5 November security patch, 5 October vendor security patch 2020. These all are the features of this ROM. You will get the Luvi checkmate kernel installed in this ROM. Let's check the features of this ROM, whether the features of these ROMs are working or not, or what are the bugs in this ROM. First, let's check the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is working perfectly, no problem in the Wi-Fi. You can easily connect Wi-Fi without any error. Or hotspot. Hotspot is also working perfectly. There is no problem in the hotspot. You can easily connect hotspot to other devices also. Also, you can share the hotspot to other devices without any problem or trouble. Let's check the Bluetooth. I am using the device. Here is our device, Bluetooth device. Let's check it by connecting it. I have already tested each and every feature, so don't worry. I will tell you about the bugs also. You can check the description also. Let's pair our device. And the first bug is the navigation bar vibration is not working. It is disabled. It does not work. There is no option to enable it. Here is our device. There is problem in the navigation bar vibration. Vibration is fully not working. Here you can see Bluetooth is working perfectly, no problem in Bluetooth. I will connect it and I will show you afterwards whether it disconnects or not. Let's say the battery performance. Battery performance of this ROM is good, not you can say not best than other ROMs available in Android 10 version. Here you can see, let's check the display. These are the features available in our ROM. Brightness working perfectly, no problem in the brightness level, or you can change the adjust according to your use. It works perfectly. There is a night light. Night light is also working perfectly. Here you can see it is darker. It is very dark, no problem, and very light. Adaptive brightness is also working perfectly, no problem in the adaptive brightness. Here the Roboto font, you can change the font also. Ubuntu, let me apply Ubuntu font. Here you can see Ubuntu font is working perfectly. Font size is also working. Display size is also working perfectly. Let's set the lock screen display, always on display. Here is the always on display. Always on display is also working perfectly, no problem in always on display. You can change the always on display, or you can enable the always on display without any problem or error. If you face any problem, you can tell me in the description, or you find any other bugs, you can share, you can comment down below. Double tap to wake is working perfectly in our device. It depends upon your sensor, whether your sensor works or not. Dark theme, here is the dark theme working perfectly, no problem in dark themes. Here you can see this is the dark gray color. Let's check the styles and wallpaper. Here are the few styles and wallpapers. Let's customize it. Here is the icon. You can change the icon according to your use. Here is the color. You can change the color also. There is no font option from here. You can change the font from directly from the setting only. Here is the choose primary color. Here is the dark gray, pitch black, ocean color, nature. You can change according to your use. Here is the pure black. Let me apply the pure black theme. It will change. Here you can see dark gray will change it to the pure black. Here you can say this is the pure black. It works perfectly, no problem. As you can see, it takes time to apply. Let me turn off the dark mode. Let's check other features. Here is the sound working perfectly, no problem in the sound. As you can see, it works easily, no problem, and vibration is also working. Phone vibration is working perfectly. Navigation bar vibration is not working. 24.08 GB storage free available, but there are few applications in my internal storage, so almost 25 GB storage is free. More than 25, basically more than 25 storage. Let's check the security. Face unlock is not provided in this ROM. We will check the fingerprint, how fast is the fingerprint working in our device. In Carbon OS, here you can see vibration is not working in our fingerprint, no problem. Vibration does not work when you enable the fingerprint. Use the fingerprint to enable our device. Let's check the speed. Here you can see speed is normal, or you can say it is average, just average, not best speed. Speed is not best in our Carbon OS. Speed is not good. Fingerprint speed is very bad. Here is the Carbon here is the account. You can add the account. You have to flash the flame gas separately. No, there is no flame gas included in our ROM. Carbon filter, here are the carbon fibers you can change. You can check the previous video if you want to know about these features. All the features are same in the Android 10 ROMs. I already made the features review, you can check it. Volt is also working perfectly, no problem in the Volt. Here the system, you can change the system update Android 10. These all are the features. You can check the previous video of this ROM. There are not many features, there are some features only. All the features are working perfectly. Only the problem is the vibration, and there is sometimes problem in the internet connection also. So let's here are the few applications installed in this ROM, and the new application is working perfectly in my device, and our device is certified, no problem. If you want to install this ROM, you can check the ROM installation video from the description or from the I button. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.